everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Tomcat Stitchery. I'm Whitney, and today I have a final lookbook for you guys. If you've been following along, you know that I've been in the midst of a fall module with the sewing workshop. They were very kind to gift me fabric for this 6-piece module. I did purchase the patterns, but I was gifted the fabric, and yeah, I made a wonderful 6-piece capsule or module, sorry. Sometimes I interchange those words and they're not really the same thing. Many modules together make a capsule, I feel like. But anyway, sorry. So I have videos. I'm gonna pop links up to the videos. I did a video on the first 2 tops, which are both from the same pattern, the Mix It tank and tank, top, and shirt. And I'll leave a pop a picture of the patterns as I'm talking as well. So that was the first video. And yeah, I had a great response from that. The second video was my Liberty shirt, which I'm actually wearing right now, and I did a tutorial on that, on how I went from, it was a woven button-down shirt, and how I made that into basically a t-shirt with some zhuzh factor. So pop a picture of the pattern here, but I'll also leave a link up to that video up there. And then finally, I tackled pants. I made 2 pairs of pants for this module. I did the pencil pants, and I also did the Valencia pants, which the Valencia is actually a pants and jacket pattern. I only made the pants, and I did a video covering those bottoms, so I'll leave a link up to that video up there as well. And then on Tuesday, you saw my topper for this module, and that was the Brando Jacket. And I shortened the body by 3 inches in order to give it a little bit more of a cropped style that I kind of wanted for this one, and used a very vibrant, shiny metallic pleather for this jacket, and I think it's going to be such fun to wear as in the fall. I mean, it's a great fall color. It's got some blinginess to it, kind of. It just kind of takes just a solid jacket and kind of ups it a notch, I feel like. I'm very excited about that one. That one's gonna I have a ton of things I want to wear that one over. So today I just have the final montage, basically, where I am trying on, those 6 pieces, make up 12 outfits. And obviously I'll wear all these pieces with other things that are already in my wardrobe, but I wanted to show you these 6 pieces in action and how they can be 12 different outfits. And I will have that whole montage here at the end of the video. I wanted to show you guys though. Okay, so my friend Jenny, who I do all my thrifting and stuff with, she went through her closet. She's a thrifting queen. I mean, she is a big time thrifter. But she had this scarf that she had thrifted. Look at this. It says Oscar de la Renta at the bottom, and the hem has been hand done. I mean, it's a hand whip stitch all the way around. I mean, I can tell that. And again, it says Oscar de la Renta. We don't know if it's really Oscar de la Renta, but it is definitely silk. I can tell by the feel that it is a silk scarf. But look how beautiful this is, and look how wonderful it goes with this module that I'm working on. So I've been big into wanting to incorporate more scarves and accessories into my wardrobe, and I love wearing scarves in my hair, which you'll see in the montage, and then just wearing them draped, across my body, just having these colors up by my face. So anyway, she said she just wasn't wearing it, and she bought it just for a couple bucks when she was thrifting. I'm trying to find the signature. I'll show you guys. Oh, there it is. See, it says right there. So we're not sure. But she just said it was time to go somewhere else and have new life elsewhere. So she just gave it to me. And I'm so excited. She knows how much I'm always looking for scarves when we're thrifting. And again, she was going through her own closet and said she just wasn't wearing it. So she brought it to me, and it's fantastic colors for my module and all the colors that I'm working in this fall as well. So thank you to Jenny, my sweet, sweet friend. So anyway, that's kind of all I've got for today. This will be a little bit of a short one because I've already talked through all the outfits for you, so or all the pieces for you. So now I will just end with the montage. Next week, I have a couple of things. I have 2 more test garments that are both itch to stitch that you've not seen yet, that I was going to kind of show in one video. I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen them. One of them has not been released yet. It'll be released on the next week, so I will have to wait maybe the end of the week next week to show you guys that. And I also still have some Minerva fabric, Minerva makes that I made for the blog that you guys still haven't seen, that I kind of wanted to talk you through. One of which is a suit, which is pretty amazing, and I may actually do just a video on that suit. So that's kind of what I'm thinking for next week. Getting back into things a little bit. And again, in my last video, I kind of mentioned I'm trying to figure out the sew-alongs and if I want to add a third day, or how I kind of want to play that. So again, I was asking for, I'm going to wait and do the coat a little bit later, just because with my schedule and my sister's schedule, by the time I finally get to her to try the muslin on and stuff, it's going to be probably closer to Christmas before she gets the coat. Sorry, Reagan, if you're watching this. I know you wanted it a little sooner than that, but I have to be able to fit the muslin on her before I can make the coat. So, and I don't think I see her before Thanksgiving. So anyway, that sew along might be coming in December. So I thought we might do something else, maybe a little quicker, while we are waiting for all of that to transpire. So again, leave in the comments if you didn't in the other video, let me know kind of what type of garments. I'm only doing big four or 5, 7, whatever, the commercial patterns for sew-alongs. I don't want to step on any toes with independent designers, so I leave those alone. But I do very much would be happy to do any Simplicity, New Look, Butterick, McCall's, Vogue, Quick Sew, all of those commercial patterns I'm happy to do sew-alongs for. So let me know what type of garment you're looking for. Again, we'll be doing a coat soon, but not until a few more months probably. So in the interim, let me know kind of what you were interested in. And I also, someone reminded me I promised to do a video on how I take the shoulder pad out of vintage patterns. And I have a vintage pattern pulled. It's a very simple alteration, a very simple tutorial. So I am gonna make that vintage pattern up here soon. And I will do a tutorial and show you how I take that shoulder pad allowance out. But that, I'm not going to do a sew-along on that one, only because not everyone can get the pattern. So yeah, if there's a new pattern that's released specifically, or if you just have a garment type that you're interested in seeing, leave it down below, and yeah, we can get started on that here soon as well. Okay guys, that's all I've got for you. I've got the montage now, and I will see you guys have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.